Number 1. Snow Joe Ash Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Snow Joe Ash Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful option for cleaning all types of ash. With a 4.8-gallon capacity, this vacuum is perfect for handling all your fireplace and stove cleaning needs. The coarse dust pre-filter and fine dust pleated filter ensure that no ash escapes into the air in your home, making it a reliable choice for maintaining indoor air quality. The safety stop switch adds an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind while using the vacuum. The carrying handle and inspection window make it easy to transport and check for any blockages, while the onboard cord and hose organizer keep everything neat and tidy. The 3.9-foot metal reinforced hose provides ample reach for most cleaning tasks. While this vacuum can only handle cold ash, it is a good practice to let your fireplace cool down before cleaning anyways. The 2-year manufacturer warranty gives you added confidence in your purchase, knowing that any issues will be taken care of promptly. Overall, the Snow Joe Ash Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient option for homeowners in need of an ash vacuum. Its basic design, combined with powerful suction and filtration, make it an excellent choice for everyday use. Check out this vacuum for a hassle-free cleaning experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best